We need to flush the lines thoroughly before the chicks arrive. Watch the pressure here.
Understood. Making sure the electrolyte solution is ready.
Cross-referencing crate tags now. Everything aligns with the manifest.
Okay, the digital ledger is updated.
The water lines look good, but the feeder alignment on row 3 is slightly off.
I'll adjust the height now.
Ensuring optimal comfort for the young broilers, workers apply a fresh layer of pine shavings and utilize
We're blending the starter and grower rations now.
Just confirming the calibration matches the chart before the full transition.
Increasing the set point now.
Reading confirms the airflow adjustment.
Fine-tuning the schedule now. Let's start the transition to the rest pattern.
Looks good. The broilers are already beginning to settle.
Advanced feed restriction scheduling optimizes the conversion rate. These brief off periods encourage efficient intake in the Ross 308 broilers.
We're seeing a slight rise in ammonia in here.
Okay, increasing the fan speed now. Let's check the readout in 5 minutes.
Align that pallet slightly to the left.
Okay, strapping it down now.
Vents are clear. Fan speed looks good at 80%.
Airflow is steady across the top crates.
This one goes to bay 3. Confirmed. Watch the alignment.
The ventilation seems balanced now.
Yes, and the water lines are running smoothly.